Yes, leo tuko Dumberi sub-county. So this is a culverts installation that is ongoing, courtesy of Departments of Roads, Transport, Public Works and Utilities. Yeah, so that's what is happening up in Jono. Jono, these culverts, they're creating the bridge. It's a bridge connecting Jono from that side and Kafai. Kafai is on this other side. Yeah, so this bridge is going to serve the community here. There is a church here. There is a Jono Catholic, so washirika watakuwa kipitia hapa with ease and comfort. By the look of the way it is, this must be 1,200 millimeters culvert. So it's a strong bridge. It's going to be a strong bridge that can hold even large motorcade like tractors. Hata matractors zinaweza pita hapa. Yeah, so that's what's up at Dumberi today, Dumberi sub-county. So this was the previous, this was the bridge that the community were using. So I'm sure hapa hata bodaboda ingepita. Yeah, so thanks to Dr. Kimani Wamatangi Boresha Barabara program that is enabling creating ways where there was no way. Kama hapa sasa wapita njia watapita wakiwa salama, na ukiangalia unaona ni maji ni the current this one can sweep anything on its way. So bridge was mandatory, and that's why we are here. Kiambu County, Departments of Roads, Public Works, Transport and Utilities. Dr.